Something shocking was discovered by scientists, and it still puzzles them till today. Some even believe what they discovered was the sound of a heartbeat in space, which adds more mystery to the discovery. But before we get into what this discovery is, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We always upload quality and informative videos that keep you wanting more. So, to avoid missing out, hit the subscribe button and stay subscribed. Thank you. Scientists found a strange and persistent radio signal that eerily sounded like a heartbeat. The signal was picked up by astronomers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and astronomers from other places. The signal is called a fast radio burst, or FRB, which is usually short, but this one lasted much longer. An FRB is a strong burst of radio waves, which usually only lasts a few milliseconds. And due to it being mostly gotten from space, no one really knows where FRBs come from. But the new signal heard lasted up to 3 seconds, which is about 1,000 times longer than usual. The signal repeated itself over 0.02 seconds in a clear pattern, almost like a heartbeat. It was unusual. Not only was it very long, lasting about 3 seconds, but it also had very regular peaks that went off every fraction of a second, boom, 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 like a heartbeat. This is the first time any signal has shown a sign of a regular pattern. The signal came from a galaxy many billions of light years away from Earth. Researchers from MIT and McGill University in Canada studied the signal and wrote about it in a paper and published it in journal Nature. They called it FRB 201912221A. It is the only FRB that has been found to last the longest and show the best cyclical pattern to date. Daniele Miceli, a postdoc at MIT's Kavli Institute for Astrophysics and Space Research, was part of the main researchers that found the sound. Since 2007, when the first FRB was found, hundreds of other radio flashes like it have been found in space, and this was made possible thanks to equipment like CHIME. The Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, or CHIME, is an interferometric radio telescope that continuously observes the sky and can pick up fast radio bursts. The researchers don't know where the new heartbeat FRB is coming from, but they think it could be coming from a radio pulsar or magnetar, which are both types of neutron stars. These are the collapsing cores of big stars, which are very dense and spin quickly. When Miceli and his colleagues looked at the structure of the radio bursts from FRB 201912221A, they found connections with the emissions from radio pulsars and magnetars in our own galaxy. The biggest difference between the new signal and radio waves from pulsars and magnetars in our own galaxy is that the newly discovered FRB seems to be more than 1,000,000 times stronger. Miceli believes the sound might have originated from a distant radio pulsar or magnetar that is normally less bright as it rotates, and for some unknown reason ejected a train of bright bursts in a rare 3-second window that CHIME was luckily positioned to catch. Miceli added that CHIME has found many FRBs with different features and, as a result, thinks the signals come from a cloud of plasma that is very rough. We've seen some that live inside clouds that are very turbulent, while others look like they're in clean environments. From the properties of this new signal, we can say that around this source, there's a cloud of plasma that must be extremely turbulent. Astronomers hope to catch more bursts from the irregular FRB 201912221A, which could help them learn more about where it comes from and neutron stars in general. The researchers hope that the new FRB signal will send out more bursts. This could help them learn more about neutron stars and the world. Though the curiosity is still there, as this finding makes us wonder what could be causing this very strong heartbeat signal that has never been seen before, and how we could use this signal to learn more about the universe. This is not the first weird sound that we've heard from space. NASA has shared a lot of sonification in the past. Some of them were made by converting radio waves picked up by satellites into some pretty creepy sound waves. This collection of spooky sounds includes the sounds of the Sun, Saturn, Jupiter, and even the black hole, as well as the regular waves of powerful charged particles that make up the plasma. But this was the first time we heard a sound that mimicked a heartbeat. Researchers could use the information about the bursts, such as how often they happen and how they change depending on where the source is in relation to Earth, to figure out how fast the universe is growing. Either way, this is a strong indication that we are just like Jon Snow. We know nothing. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, then let us know by clicking the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and the like button, so we know you loved it. Also, hit the little bell so you get notified when we post new space-related videos like this just for you. Thank you for watching. Till next time.